Hello all my YouTube friends. This is a video response to Two Car Garage 1's 100th sub giveaway contest. I think all of you who doesn't subscribe to him already should go and do that, because he seems to be a really nice guy, and I like his videos a lot. I'm gonna put his link down below, so you can go and check him out, everyone. I'm also gonna put the link to his contest. Anyway, as I said in a previous video, I'm a bit camera shy, so I actually tricked my twin brother to pose on a photo for me. And the sad part is that we look extremely like each other. You know, we are spot on. The only difference is that he uses an earring and I'm not. And yes, but you can see that we are from Sweden and we are blonde hair and blue eyes. Anyway, everyone, take care now, and don't forget to go and check Two Car Garage 1's channel out. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.